Yellow melon muscadel. Melon salad. A side dish from South Africa. Serves
You will
for
need
10 ingredients. Step 1. In a small saucepan, place the sugar, water, lemon juice, vinegar, and ginger. Heat to a boiling, stirring well. Continue boiling for about 5 minutes, then strain syrup through a fine sieve or
Step 2.
cheesecloth into a bowl. Meanwhile, seed the cantaloupes and watermelon. Using a melon baller, collect balls and place in a large bowl. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, then sprinkle on the muscatel. Step 3. Toss gently. Pour syrup over melon balls and refrigerate for several hours before serving. Step 4. To serve, decorate with mint sprig. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.